Did you know that when you mix superglue with baking soda, it creates a reaction that results in an incredibly strong bond, almost as hard as a rock? Quite astonishing, isn't it? This simple combination of household items forms an adhesive that's not only stronger but also sets quicker than superglue on its own, an unexpected duo indeed. Consider a scenario where you're using superglue alone. It can be a bit of a waiting game. Yes, it's true that superglue is popular for its quick bonding time, but in reality, it might take several minutes to a few hours to fully set, depending on the materials you're joining together. And let's not forget the occasional sticky fingers scenario, where the glue seems to bond skin faster than anything else. Now imagine a different scenario. You're using superglue, but this time with a pinch of baking soda. The reaction is nearly instantaneous, forming a bond that's not only stronger but also sets in seconds. This isn't just a trick for DIY enthusiasts, it's a game changer for anyone who needs a quick and reliable fix. Baking soda, when mixed with superglue, acts as a catalyst, accelerating the curing process of the superglue, making the bond almost unbreakable. This combination has been used in numerous applications, from simple household repairs to complex model building and even in automotive repairs. And it's not just about the speed and strength. This powerful duo creates a bond that can be sanded down and painted over, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of repair and craft projects. So why not give it a whirl? Grab a bottle of superglue and a box of baking soda from your pantry. Find something in need of a strong bond and test out this rock-solid duo. It's a chance to experience firsthand the surprising strength and speed of this combination. And once you've tried it, share your experience. Did it work as expected? Was it stronger and faster than using superglue alone? Did it save the day when nothing else could? Share your story, because every experience adds to our collective knowledge, and who knows, your story might just inspire someone else to try this out. Remember, the world of DIY is full of surprises, and sometimes the most unlikely combinations can lead to the most impressive results. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep sharing your experiences.